Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 0606, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 0606? What's the symbolism of 0606? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 0606 mean for love? What does 0606 mean for twin flames? What does 0606 for manifestation? How does angel number 0606 affect finances? What does 0606 mean for former relationships? How does 0606 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 0606? What are the weaknesses of angel number 0606? What's the meaning of angel number 0606? Angel number 0606 is a message emphasizing harmony, love, and balance in your personal and domestic life. The number 6 stands for responsibility, care, and family, while the 0 amplifies spiritual connection and potential. Seeing this number often means you're being reminded to nurture your relationships, prioritize emotional well-being, and trust in divine support. It encourages a return to inner balance and simplicity, suggesting that focusing on love and gratitude will align you with your highest good. It's a sign to release fear, especially about material concerns, and open your heart to deeper emotional and spiritual fulfillment. What's the symbolism of angel number 0606? The symbolism of 0606 revolves around home, compassion, nurturing, and spiritual support. With the number 6 repeating, it emphasizes your duties in relationships and the importance of emotional care, while 0 represents spiritual openness and infinite potential. Symbolically, this number calls for emotional healing and balance between the material and the spiritual. It may appear when you're too focused on worldly concerns and need to refocus on love and spiritual values. 0606 also symbolizes divine reassurance, that you are protected and guided in your efforts to care for others and maintain harmony in your personal life. What is the angel number 0606 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 0606 urges you to balance your material and emotional life by embracing trust, compassion, and divine connection. The presence of 0 amplifies the energy of the SIXS, encouraging you to deepen your spiritual awareness through acts of kindness, self-care, and forgiveness. It highlights the importance of service, not only to others but also to your higher self. 0606 asks you to focus less on physical needs and more on spiritual growth. This number signals a time to reflect, pray, or meditate, allowing you to reconnect with your purpose and welcome peace into your soul. What does angel number 0606 mean for love? In love, angel number 0606 emphasizes emotional support, understanding, and nurturing. It signals a need to strengthen bonds through compassion and attentiveness, suggesting that the key to romantic harmony lies in mutual care and communication. If you're in a relationship, 0606 may indicate a time to reconnect emotionally, especially if life stressors have caused distance. If single, it encourages you to heal past wounds and open your heart to love rooted in emotional depth and spiritual connection. This number reminds you that true love grows from acts of kindness, loyalty, and emotional presence within a secure, balanced relationship. What does angel number 0606 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 0606 signifies a focus on healing emotional imbalances and creating harmony within the connection. It reflects the nurturing, unconditional love twin flames are meant to share, and encourages both individuals to prioritize compassion and emotional maturity. This number may appear during a phase when healing family patterns, codependency, or insecurity is needed. It urges both parties to come into balance individually to support the divine union. 0606 also reassures that divine guidance is helping align the twin flame journey, particularly in matters of trust, home life, and emotional intimacy. What does angel number 0606 for manifestation? Angel number 0606 supports manifestation by encouraging alignment between emotional well-being and spiritual trust. It reminds you that your inner state plays a major role in what you attract. If your focus is too heavily on lack or fear, this number encourages you to redirect your thoughts toward love, gratitude, and faith. The double SIXS emphasize manifesting security and balance in relationships and the home, while the 0 amplifies spiritual potential. Visualize your desires with emotional clarity, trusting that your needs, especially regarding love and stability, are heard and supported by the universe. Peaceful intentions attract abundant outcomes. How does angel number 0606 affect finances? Financially, angel number 0606 signals the need to shift from fear-based thinking to a mindset of trust and balance. It encourages you not to obsess over money but to recognize that financial stability flows from emotional and spiritual alignment. The number suggests that focusing too much on material concerns may create energetic block. Instead, nurture your faith that the universe will provide for your needs. It may also point to a financial solution through helping others, such as service-based or heart-centered work. Your finances will improve as you approach them with calmness, integrity, and gratitude. What does angel number 0606 mean for former relationships? In the context of past relationships, 0606 speaks of emotional closure, healing, and growth. It reminds you that your past connections served an important role in teaching compassion, self-worth, and boundaries. Now is the time to forgive, release guilt or regret, and move forward with emotional balance. If you're holding on to resentment or loss, 0606 suggests healing through self-care and reconnection with your spiritual self. This number offers peace by assuring that past love had meaning, but no longer needs to define your future. Let go with love, knowing you are guided toward more harmonious relationship. How does angel number 0606 guide your work life? In your career, 0606 guides you to seek balance between work and personal life, as well as between material success and emotional well-being. This number suggests pursuing work that nurtures others or brings emotional satisfaction, like healthcare, teaching, or creative expression. It also encourages you to treat colleagues with kindness and foster a supportive work environment. If you're overworking or experiencing burnout, 0606 advises stepping back to reassess your goals and values. Success comes when your professional path aligns with inner peace and purpose. Prioritize heart-led decisions, and your career will flourish in both fulfillment and abundance. What are the strengths of angel number 0606? 0606 carries strengths such as compassion, emotional intelligence, nurturing abilities, and spiritual trust. People influenced by this number are often empathetic, generous, and deeply connected to their family or community. They excel at offering emotional support and thrive in environments that allow them to care for others. The presence of